Amara, you light up the sky with every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, I see the dawn.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to our channel. So today guys, I will be taking you guys along on how our after school looks like and our evening routine. Stay back, relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
But it says so much. In the quiet nights and the loudest storms, you make the chaos feel like home. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. We paint our story in the stars above, through the highs and lows, through every shove. You pull me close, I feel the flame in the fire of your heart. I'm never the same. The days are sweet, the nights are wild. Amara, you make me feel like a child. We run with the wind and dance with the rain. Life with you, love, it's never in vain. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true.
Show me what you want to do. Show me.
I'll fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here
Gentle,
with you.
breathe, down, rock, in, down.
Is that Arabic?
Yes.
We'll walk this road hand in hand. A love so deep you'd understand. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. Oh Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life, with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh Amara, forever it's true. Amara, you light up the sky with every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, I see the dawn, a brand new world where we belong. You speak in silence, love in every touch. A gentle whisper, but it says so much. In the quiet nights and the loudest storms, you make the chaos feel like home. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara.
Come and join us guys. What's your favorite in here? So that's all for today's video. We are going to enjoy our meal. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.